FYI to all of you, these are the common information about the Cagayanon consumer. Not really the basic information, but the common traits about the Cagayanon. So, check this out.
Cagayanon is a consumer adaptive, which they learn about new products, they try or adapt or reject them. Cagayanon has a 4 main psychological process which affect their behavior in terms in their motivation, perception, learning, and memory.
Consumer behavior is influenced by 3 factors, which is cultural, social, and personal. Ano behavior mo malit din sir?
Ay, obvious, barato.
Barato. Sabi, satisfied ako kasi sa mga mapalit din.
Satisfy, 50 naman ang kwarta. No? Ay, 5 rin.
Pili mo madala sa budget sir ba? Hindi mo ka din.
100 ba? Mura man po yung mabot na ako. Sige driver na di ako.
Kapila po gagani din.
Sa week. Sa week na ba?
Cagayanon's consumers' decisions are influenced by personal characteristics. This includes the buyer's age and stage of the life cycle, occupational and economic circumstances, personality and self-concept, and lifestyle and values. Consumers also choose and use brands that have a brand personality consistent with their own actual self-concept, like how one views themselves, ideal self-concept, like how we would like to view ourselves, and other self-concept, how we think others see us.
We as Cagayanons, friendship is what we give you. Our smiles welcome you.
Love is what we share to you.
Cagayanons are truly the one for you, making you feel that life after all is worth living for.